Let's continue with Lesson 4. Lesson 4 is about drawing a star shape. We can draw a star like this. The turning angle for the star is 144 degrees, so it's quite straightforward. And we can easily adapt Lesson 3 to create Lesson 4. Here, we'll use Lesson 3. For the star, we'll set n to be 5. And for the turning angle, we just need to set it to 144. Right? It's that simple and you get a star. So let's run it. There. Simple, right? Lesson 3 was very easy, and so is Lesson 4. We just need to modify Lesson 3. I'll now modify this part of Lesson 3 to become Lesson 4. So, if this is 5, we just need to. We can even remove this block entirely. We no longer need this. We'll use the number 5. And here, we also don't need this anymore. 144. Simple, right? And we just code. We modify the code over here. So here, everyone, it's similar, right? We just look at this part. This could be exit and click and main. And it works like this. So this variable, we can use it or not. So you can remove it by deleting it. Forward and left. That's how it is in Python. We can restart from the beginning or not. We're done with Lesson 4.